Welcome to my channel. Today I'm collabing with BeautyForeverHair and they sent me this kinky curly frontal wig and I'll be installing it with y'all. I wanted to do this little ponytail, you know, kind of like a half up, half down look. Very easy, very simple, very much so cute, y'all. So let's get right into this video. This is an easy install as well, very much so beginner friendly.
Keep me there beside you, honey. I don't think you even try. It's okay, 'cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real. I don't care if you get older. I don't get why you're so weak. Oh, I'm not the one who will take you back. So
So this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoyed collabing with Beauty Forever Hair. I definitely love working with this company. I've been working with this company for a while now, y'all. I definitely love them, definitely affordable. Everything will be in the description box, literally everything. As well as my discount code, their website, everything, y'all, literally everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on TikTok and on Instagram if you already haven't. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. We on the road to 50K. Y'all already know the vibes. And I'll see y'all in my next video. If you haven't watched the rest of my videos, then go watch them, sis. You are missing out. And until next time.